Hi everyone, today I'm making plov, lamb plov. There are thousands of plov recipes, but this one is simple, very reliable, and truly anyone can make it. Alright, let's walk through this step by step together. Today, to prepare this plov, I'll need lamb, onions, carrots, rice, water, garlic, and spices. I'm offering my own very simple spice mix, but you can use any spices you prefer. The key is the technique of making plov. That is where you should focus your attention. All the ingredients and details can be found in the description of this video. I have a section of lamb cut into 2 to 3 cm pieces. Now I want to trim off the fat, but we're not throwing it away, we'll need it later. You can use any cut and any type of meat you prefer, but I prefer meat on the bone, so I've chosen the lamb's loin section. I slice the onion into thin half rings. This allows them to cook evenly and contribute both sweetness and color to the zervak. Cut the carrots into medium thickness julienne strips. Do not slice them too thin. They should maintain their structure during cooking. Rinse the rice thoroughly in cold water. Wash it until the water runs completely clear. The white starchy coating must fully disappear. You can cook this on a regular stovetop, but today I'll be cooking outside in the yard on my gas burner. Heat the kazan or a heavy pot over high heat until it is properly hot and evenly warmed. Add the oil, then the trimmed lamb fat and chopped garlic. Let them fry together until golden. The oil will slowly become infused with a deep lamb and garlic aroma. Once the cracklings turn golden and crisp, carefully remove them. They've already given us everything we need. Now add the meat to the well-heated oil and sear it until a rich golden crust forms. Sear it properly. We are frying, not stewing. Then add the onions and cook them until golden as well. The onions will give the plov its beautiful color. After that, add the carrots and, stirring continuously, fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the prepared spices and mix thoroughly so they spread evenly and begin to release their aroma. Carefully pour in hot water in a 1-to-1 ratio with the rice by weight. The water must be hot, never cold. Cold water would interrupt the cooking process. Stir once more, cover with the lid and reduce the heat to low. Let the zervak simmer gently for about 1 hour. The meat should become tender and the aroma deep, rich and full. While the zervak is simmering, I enjoy the crispy cracklings. They're incredibly tasty, highly recommended. After about an hour, I increase the heat and move on to the next stage. First, cumin. This is what truly makes plov, plov. I highly recommend adding 1 whole chili pepper, but my family doesn't enjoy spicy food, so I'm leaving it out this time. Garlic, however, is essential. It gives the dish a beautiful deep aroma. Spread the rinsed rice evenly over the meat and garlic. Do not stir. The rice must fully cover the surface of the zervak. Level it carefully, so there are no gaps and no dry spots. Make sure the entire surface of the rice is lightly covered with liquid. Cover with a lid and cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, open the lid and begin working only with the rice. Do not disturb the meat or the layers of zervak underneath. Using a spatula or slotted spoon, gently turn the rice from the top, lifting and redistributing it so it absorbs moisture evenly. Repeat this every 1 to 1.5 minutes. This ensures even cooking. No raw center, no overcooked edges. Continue until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the rice becomes noticeably drier and nearly done. When the rice is almost fully cooked and most of the moisture has evaporated, gather it into a compact mound in the center of the kazan. This technique allows excess moisture to escape more efficiently from the sides, while helping the rice finish cooking without becoming wet or heavy. Make several holes down to the bottom using the handle of a spoon or a skewer. These channels allow steam to rise through the center. Cover with the lid. Steam will move upward through the rice, evenly bringing it to the perfect final texture. Let the plov rest and steam over very low heat for a few more minutes. When the plov is fully ready, the rice should be fluffy, separate, and perfectly structured. Serve it traditionally with pickled vegetables, and of course, if you have it, serve it with warm lavash. These fresh, bright accents beautifully balance the richness of the plov and complete the dish.